It's because all this pressure here.
That shoulder blade area always feels jammed.
Mm-hmm.
And it feels like he's untangling it.
Yeah, because I learned how to, I can tie knots and untie knots. I learned that in the Boy Scouts. So here you can figure out what's good, what to loosen in here, and all of this. Boy, it is a little bit on the tighter side.
And today's a good day.
Now, let's see. So there are things to do this way. Now, you're saying up in your pec in here, it gets tight here.
Where everything attaches to the clavicle.
Yeah, it's a pecs and
From the pec and from the neck, where it attaches bottom of the clavicle, top of the clavicle, agony on a regular basis.
we're gonna put these points one more time right here, guys. So just remember, and if you're the person who's experienced that fibromyalgia, just remember them too. And I forgot to turn my microphone on, so I either speak this again.
I could put her on her side too.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna put those points again, and just memorize them. And when you go to a massage place, just see if the person work on those spots. If you're not, just ask him, like, do you know those 18 fibromyalgia spots? And if person say yes, you'll know what he's doing. If not, just don't waste your money, don't waste your time with this place. You need to go get to professional to help you out. You don't want to suffer for days. And guess what? When you suffer, you can't do anything basically. You can't work. You can do nothing. So that's what we're looking for. So David, yes, working from hands down under the table, and
now, if you want me to do that, I can put you on this people side. I don't pull on it, but I do work on it. I worked on it different ways. So I can feel both. I can do both at the same time. Here. I'm super careful on these kind of cases here.
we all do. Remember that rule. Don't try to help person right away. Like
You feel tight here, right?
very slowly, because if you overdo, the person is going to be
Right there.
like in more worse situation. Here we go.
Right there. When I'm in a full flare-up and a full migraine, that spot where you are right now, it feels like someone has a vice grip on it 24/7.
Right, because the nerves are right in here.
Yeah, and it's also first strip. The first strip can be decompressed on that brachial plexus nerve.
Right there. And it can be 36 hours of agony in that one spot, as if somebody's pinching it and won't turn it loose.
It's 36 hours. And so I know people do more than that. So you can be suffer for 36 hours.
It's brutal.
That's pretty bad here.
And it creates a lot of vomiting. When I'm in that kind of a flare-up, the pain is so intense, it brings on a lot of vomiting. The fascia release work that Jay does when I'm in a flare-up always stops the vomiting. So there is a connection between...
Fascia always, yes, guys. Treat the fascia. I was watching this new research, and the fascia, it's just, this is what we're looking for. The fascia more in pain than everything. The fascia is connected. This is your net around your muscle support and cover your muscle, and that's what create that pain. So fascia work is important and very, very help.
And the vagus nerve is in the area you're also treating. So I'm sure it's a combination of the relief to the vagus nerve allowing it to resettle, as well as what you're doing with the fascia.
You see how educated our client? Yes, we educate them. We not just give them the treatment. They know what's going on. That's the main idea.